Scoot over a little bit. There we go. What's going on, you guys? It's your boy, Give Me Face. I am here with the amazing, published model, Emily. You can find her on her Instagram at
Emily Marie Ram.
And we're here in Cincinnati, Ohio, my hometown, doing my thrift store challenge. Basically, I did it in Tampa, but it's warm weather, palm trees, so we got some dope shots. So here in Cincinnati, where it's colder, it's a little bit more challenging, but we're gonna see what we can create. So y'all can see the behind the scenes right now. Just wrapped up this shoot, man. We got some fire ass shots. Dope model, Emily, you came through for me. Thank you for coming through. This whole thrift store challenge is to challenge everybody, models, photographers, makeup artists, whoever you are. If you're a creative, go to your nearest thrift store, put together a dope outfit under $35. We got this whole outfit with $27, $28. I know you can do it too. Do it. When you post it, put hashtag thrift store challenge. I want to see what y'all got. I'm challenging y'all. I'm calling y'all out. What's up? What's good? Peace.